How much home insurance do you need? A tornado rips through your town, reducing your home to a pile of rubble. In the aftermath, you discover that it will cost $350,000 to rebuild your home. But your homeowner's insurance policy offers only $300,000 worth of coverage that leaves you on the hook for the rest. To avoid being uninsured for this type of catastrophe, review your home insurance coverage on a regular basis. Here's how to figure out how much owner insurance you need. Insuring your home. Start by making sure you have enough dwelling coverage which pays for damage to the structure of your home. This includes the roof, walls, and floors, built in appliances, and attached desk and graphics. If you have got a shed, fence, or other detached structure, you will also want to check your limit for other structure covered. Dabbling coverage. You should have enough dabbling coverage to rebuild your house if it's destroyed. This amount is also known as the replacement cost. Note that it may not necessarily to be the same as the price you paid for the home or the selling price today. The replacement cost will reflect the size of the house, its features, and the cost of building in your area. For example, a big house with a high-end gourmet kitchen will cost more to rebuild than a modest ranch with standard fixtures. Your insurance company or agent can help you choose an accurate replacement cost. Note that improvements you make to your home could boost your replacement cost. To make sure your coverage keeps pace, tell your agent about any major renovation you have made. Guarding against rising cost, your dabbling coverage limit may have been high enough when you and your agent first came up with it. But what if influence or natural disasters have sent building costs skyrocketing since then? There are a few ways to make sure your dabbling coverage won't fall short. First, ask your insurer if there is an inflation guard on your policy. This will automatically raise your coverage levels on a regular basis to hedge against inflation. Second, ask whether your insurance company offers either of these options. Extend replacement cost, which will pay up to a given percentage above your dabbling limit of your coverage isn't enough. Guaranteed replacement cost, which will pay as much as necessary to rebuild your home after a coverage claim. These options may cost more than the default coverage, but they could make a big difference in your payout after a claim. Finally, you may also want to ask about ordnance or law coverage, which pays to bring your home up to current building codes during coverage repairs. If you have an older home, making these updates could get expensive if you don't have ordinance or law coverage.